Hi, in this tutorial we're going to go over how to link a couple spreadsheets. So this is a pretty typical data dump into Excel. It's item movement, you got item, movement type, order, so on and so forth. But I want to add some description to this item number, and typically that's downloaded from a different table from your ERP. So I've downloaded it into a different spreadsheet, and now we're going to link up the two. So I'm just going to do a VLOOKUP to look up what the name for the item number is in this column. I'll color that yellow so it's easier to see. I'll go over here. Oops, didn't want to do that. Insert. Call this description. And here I'll do a VLOOKUP. Now once I get to the source, I'm going to go over to this spreadsheet and highlight these two rows. Now look at the formula here. It's looking into this spreadsheet and this tab on that spreadsheet and these two columns. So once I have that in there, I'll just finish up the VLOOKUP formula. Second column, false, close parentheses, enter. And then I'll copy this down. Now I have two linked spreadsheets. Just save this, close it out, and notice how the formula changed. Before it had the spreadsheet name, the tab name, and this. Now it has a path, users, desktop, spreadsheet, so on and so forth, to get to that spreadsheet. So I'll just save this as it is and go into the master data spreadsheet. And I'll just change one of these. I'll color it different. So rock round, I'll just say it's testing. That's the 5001. I'll save this, close it, go back to our item movement. So now that these two spreadsheets are linked up, it's going to ask you if you want to update the links. So if I say don't update, it's going to keep the values that are in there before and not update them to what we changed it to. So that 5001, the rock around, is still showing rock around. It's not showing what we changed it to in the original spreadsheet. So if I go over to the original spreadsheet and open it up, then it's going to automatically update those values. So notice the 5001 used to be rockfish, now it's testing. Since we opened up the spreadsheet, our formula shows that it's open and it's looking that data up. So I'm going to close this out without saving. So notice the 5001 is rock around, and I can hit update here and it'll update it to whatever we changed it to, whatever all the values of these have changed since the last time it was opened and saved. But there's another way to do it. You can update there, don't update. So now that this is linked to another spreadsheet, we can go to this edit links and we can update it here. We can open the source. So now we have it open. And that's very helpful when you have multiple spreadsheets that it's linked to. And if we know all this is correct, we can even break the link. And notice how this was a VLOOKUP before? Since we broke the link, it changed the VLOOKUP to text of what it last looked up. So that's how you link spreadsheets. I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.